everyone, welcome to my channel, The Jude Family. Today, as you all know, we are celebrating Father's Day. My children, they are planning to prepare Cajun crispy potato for their father. They are doing it with the full love and affection for their father. Let us see how they are making.
We have some thoroughly washed baby potatoes here. Half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Some corn flour to coat. Salt to taste. Some garlic powder. Mixed herbs. Mayonnaise. Tomato sauce. And some paprika powder. Now we have kept the potatoes for boiling. You need not cook it completely, just about 90% it has to be cooked. So let's wait for that. I'll just close it with the lid so it gets cooked faster. It's getting cooked. Meanwhile, we'll just prepare a spice mix. Now we'll add about half a teaspoon of mixed herbs. Now half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon paprika powder. Salt to taste. Our spice mix is ready now. You can mix according to the ratio of potatoes you have. Now our spice mix is ready. Keeping the same ratio of ingredients, you can increase or decrease the quantity of spices according to the quantity of potatoes you are taking. Now let us start preparing a sauce. For every 2 spoons of a spice mix, we will be adding 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Now we will be adding 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Now let's start mixing all the ingredients. Mix it thoroughly, guys. Guys, we have already mixed it thoroughly. Look at the color, guys. It looks so yum. You can add even 2 teaspoons of milk if you want to change the consistency. I am not adding here though. We have now strained our potato, guys. Now place the potatoes onto a dry plate. Now with the help of a ladle, we'll just slightly press up baby potatoes such a way that just the skin breaks. All our potatoes have been mashed here. Now we'll start coating it with a corn flour. Now let us start dusting some corn flour on a chopping board to coat the potatoes. Now let's start coating our baby potatoes. Now let us start frying up baby potatoes. We are going to deep fry our baby potatoes, so please add oil according to it. People who are looking for a healthy recipe, you can even shallow fry the baby potatoes with very little oil. So I am deep frying it. Our oil is heated up. Now let's start adding our potatoes into it. Drop it very closely so that you don't splash the oil. I'll show you the difference. Okay, now I'm leaving it very close. See, the oil doesn't splash back. Fry it on medium flame. It should neither be on the low flame nor on the higher side. I'm frying it on the medium flame. Now let's start frying our second batch of potatoes. Now our second batch of potatoes are also fried. I'm taking them to a serving plate. Let us off the stove first. Now we are going to dress our potatoes using a Cajun sauce. Now let us garnish our Kaju potatoes. Our crispy Cajun is now ready to serve. It is always better to serve it hot. I hope you people like the recipe. Please do try it at home. And if you like it, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Jude Family. And also hit that small little bell button so that you get notified whenever we are uploading a new recipe. See you next time with an interesting recipe again. Bye-bye.